Scooby-Doo fans, you are in the right place because it's time for some more action from him and the ninja monkeys who are causing trouble as always. Why-ya!
Long time ago, Dragon protected the valley, but was punished by heaven for his arrogance. He blamed us. Now, trapped in his icy prison, he plots to destroy us. Our only hope might be my pupil Skunk.
Skunk fool, balancing the earths and the heavens with an old wise panda and a whole pack of brethrens. Fox, rabbit, pig, snake, and killer bees. Duck, crane, tiger fighting off ninja monkeys and baboons. That evil dragon won't prevail over young skunk skills and an old stink tail. Defender of the valley from the dragon in the lake. Use your mind, body, and soul to fly as you meditate. The yin, the yang, the shadow boxing technique, the monkey flip tight style.
Skunk food! The art of monkey launching. Turn a leaf. You've had a chance to study the leaves. Now find the other star.
Square, not it! This game is rigged! I got it!
Nice try. Keep looking.
It's not fair! There's no other star! What? I don't get why we're playing this.
Because this game trains the mind.
I'd rather train my muscles to fight!
The mind is the warrior, and the warrior is the mind.
Master Panda, come quickly. Baboon and the ninja monkeys are up to something unusual near the valley border. They're making a thing.
What kind of thing?
What are you doing?
Trying to shrug. It's not easy without shoulders.
Never mind. Just tell me.
I discovered that Baboon has had monkeys building this thing all day and all night, hammering wood, wrapping vines. I attempted to find out more, but was distracted by a plump, tasty rodent.
Did you observe anything else?
Yes. It's so big and scary!
Quickly, Snake. Gather the finest minds in the valley. Duck! Fox! Turtle!
Skunk!
Bird!
Skunk. Ox.
Soldiers of the intellect, lend me your considerable talents as we travel to the border to unlock the secrets of this ominous...
Hold it, Pops! How can you take them and not us? I mean, come on! A couple of geezers and a girl!
Oh.
I'm smart, too.
Will there be any fighting involved?
Not likely.
Then I'm smart, too. I can think with my head. No.
So, Pandy, what do you say you show how smart you are and bring us along, too?
Well, okay. Who is to say which is brighter, the moon or its reflection upon the water?
That's a yes, right?
Hey, wait! I'm smart! I've been training my mind.
I know you are, young skunk, but being smart is not the same as being wise. The two rarely seem to go together.
What does that mean?
Who cares?
How can they leave us behind? Why, we're geniuses!
I'm hungry.
Yeah, who am I kidding?
Wind it up!
You! Onto the monkey pelt.
Not to
Worry, my dispensable ninja warrior. This monkey pelt will launch you far over the heads of the animals defending the border. It is set to land you safely in the Valley Lake. There, you are all to gather and attack!
Ayah!
What can it be? Yeah. It's a rock! Whoa! What is that thing?
The monkeys mean us harm. So it stands to reason that it's a weapon of some kind.
Cranking the wheel seems to create tension within the mechanism.
When that tension is released, oh my, the energy it will create.
Energy that can be used to launch things. But what?
Pancakes!
Ninja monkeys!
Fire one!
An artificial jumping machine? Diabolical!
Oh no! Ox, bird, and skunk!
Come on, everyone. Let's get them monkeys. Huh? What are you doing? We gotta go back and fight.
To better help the ones left behind in the valley, we must stop the launching of monkeys.
Then let's attack. This isn't time for art projects.
Our only hope is to destroy the machine. To do that, we must first figure out how it works.
You're crazy. I'm attacking.
I need you here, Rabbit.
I hate being the smart one.
There you are, Skunk.
Why are you so down? We get to stay behind and eat sesame noodles.
I want to help.
Forget it. Eat up and relax. We don't even have to use our brains if we don't want it.
If we prove to Panda that we're smart, we'll earn his respect.
Yeah, right. That'll happen when monkeys fly. Hey! Look at that!
Give up! You're outnumbered.
Give up! We're outnumbered.
There's so many of them.
Come on, guys. I think we can take them as long as we're a team. We fight as one.
Sounds good to me.
Leaf. The mind is the warrior, and the warrior is the mind. Rubber trees. That's it!
Fire 8! The valley dwellers won't even know what hill.
Look at that.
What happened?
Someone somewhere is doing something right.
Skunk.
Launch faster! 14, 11, 12!
Oh, they're not all rubber trees. Which ones were rubber?
Hey, you think we should, like, you know,
Have lunch?
no, we should,
Dance?
yeah. No, no, we have to help Skunk. Hey, Skunk, which one's rubber?
The red trees.
This one?
Yes.
And so we run up the trees and hold on and jump down. Then we just let the tree snap up and whack those monkeys.
How smart of you. Very clever.
Well done, Skunk.
Yeah, not bad.
I couldn't have done it without Ox and Bert.
Can we dance now?
Yeah, you said it.
So how did you come up with such a great idea?
Well, being smart isn't the same as being wise.
The Romans are here.
Jonathan's gone to Rome to find his mother. We thought she was dead. Mother? Is that you? Are you still alive? Jonathan's life's in danger. There's a plot to assassinate the Emperor.
Your mother's alive, I promise you.
Four friends. Unraveling the secrets of an empire. Roman Mysteries, Tuesday at 4:30 on CBBC One.
Well, that, my friends, is almost it from the CBBC channel, but still to come your way before we say